Hi guys, and especially girls today. Well, it's one of the last videos in this location, but I wanted to show you an unboxing of my new shoes. Special ones, so please have a seat. So unfortunately, it's not sponsored. I just love the style and I bought it, and I did so many unboxing videos before. Some of you really love to see what I bought and why and the pros and cons, and this was one of the styles. I thought, okay, maybe I should just start again and show you a little bit more of my new stuff. And this time you will see my Skye printed sock boots by Balmain. So come a little bit closer while I open the box. So let's start with a nice bag. This is how it looks. So of course I opened the box before and did the first try on. That's why you don't see all the stuff inside this sock boot. And first I was a little bit, had mixed feelings about this sock style, but then I had it on and it looks great. So I think you'll love to see me wearing them. Let's put them on. So I think it's a perfect eye catcher, especially for legs like this with a tan pantyhose, or even with a nice leather pants or black pants, it should look amazing. So I love to walk in them, not such a tight fitting, so it's so comfortable. And well, maybe not during rainy weather or bad weather, because I don't want to ruin them. But the size is just true to your regular shoe size. So I hope you like this little unboxing haul try on, and also this dress is also Balmain. I just love it. So take care everyone, thank you for your subscription and see you on the next unboxing.